We're now going to explore some more string-only methods, beginning with the count method. So here, we're going to still use title. So the string count method works very different than just the normal count method. You pass it in a string, and it will count the number of occurrences of that letter. So you can see here that the first value has 1 O, the third value has 3 O's, and so forth. You can chain like the value counts method like this and get an idea of the distribution of O's. So we have around 8,400 employees have a title containing 1 O. About 6,000 have a title without an O in it. There are 55 employees that have a title with 6 O's in it. All right, let's move on to the contains method. And actually, before that, you should know that you can put, it doesn't have to be a single character. You can, all right, count the number of times the word police occurs in there, like this. You'll see if, does police ever occur twice in a title? No, that doesn't happen. All right, let's move on to contains method. The contains string method will return a Boolean series, whether or not a particular string just has that word in it, yes or no. So this is probably a better way of determining whether police is inside a string is by passing it this. So this will be a true or a false, whether or not this is contained in there just at least one time. You can call .mean to get the percentage of titles that have police in them, so 27.5%. So that's pretty cool, the contains method. The len string method returns the number of characters for that particular string. So there's 15 characters in that first title. You can see here, that's 15 characters. The second one has 26 and so forth. We can again chain a method like mean, so that average number of characters for a particular title, an employee's title, is 19 characters. All right, so that's just a few more. We'll see even more in following videos.